Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will presentation portfolio, learning portfolio, instructor Faizo Bimazabi, MPD, Department Grade Piau, third semester. My name Livia Martasari, my number 21901014005. I'm from Faculty of Islamic Studies Early Childhood Education, University of Islam Malang, academic year 2020. Number 1. Class attendance. Week 1, Thursday, 15 October 2020. Situation of attendance be later or leave early because their activity at home. Week 2, Thursday, 22 October 2020. Situation of attendance on time because there was no activity. Week 3, Thursday, 5 November 2020. Situation of attendance on time because there was no activity. Text 2. Studying while taking a tour of the Transportasi Museum. Malang still remains a tourist destination that must great demand. This is evidenced by the always hectic tourist destination Jatim Park 1 and 2, Batu Nik Spectacular or BNS, Waterfall Coban Rondo, Apple Orchard, and Nature Tourist Selecta. Sometimes less Jatim Park Group at one more tourist bahas destination that is unique and interest to visit, namely museum transport. From the name alone, we can already guess that it is probably in it is transportation, but it is probably different from the museum to transport to another because the number of collections in them very complete from all countries in the world. Transport Museum lekas in IDP Stone, Kabupaten Malang, Java Eastern Coastline, more precisely at Jalan Sultan Agung, Canal of over the number 2 tourist town or Batu Malang, East Java. The richest town transport museum by Rendu Sadan Tandi round the world Alam Museum Hackstone Transport. The richest town transport museum divides the area in some zone. Each zone dirancang and are designed in accordance with kota or asal state transportation tools with. Officials expect we design like this visitor really feel the actual circumstance, the zone of Batavia and Sunda Kelapa. This zone illustrates the state of the town of Batavia and Sunda Kelapa when colonial rule. The zone of Buckingham Palace, Place. This zone illustrates the state of Buckingham Palace, which is very pretentious. Gangster Zone Town and Broadway Street. This zone in a design similar to State Gangster, where there is a collection or vintage car which are often used by the gangster. European zone showing several dioramas bigger city in Europa, like the city of Berlin, Paris, Rome, and London, would be more interest again where there in place a couple of the production car collection and also the lively collection of vehicles in use in the city in the past. The richest town transport museum by Rahmat Ardani will your review about interesting transport museum. In addition to the interesting museum of stone disport transportation can be a learning tool for studying the history and transportation in the world. Make sure the Transport Museum of the Poor into the list of attraction that will you guys visit when traveling in the city of Malang? The question about text. Number one, where location transport museum? Number two, what kind of the collection of transport equipment in the transportation museum? Number three, what are some region zones designated in a transportation museum? B. Question about difficulties in the writing essay or summary. Number one, it was difficult to manage vocabulary properly because the sentence that format had to be at one another. Number two, difficulty in organizing language form, structure, grammar that work for effective communication. Number three, difficult in the discovering ideas or content. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.